here I got more eBay packages. I got a couple more coming in. So I'm gonna box these now first. Let's unbox this. Already unboxed these packages a bit because I want to make sure they're in good condition, as always. I got a hard drive adapter so I can get old photos off of there. I'm gonna share some old photos on the. Hopefully this will work with all the hard drives I have. Smaller than I thought it would be though. Hopefully that will work. Got a Wheelock back cam for my Wheelock speaker that I'm like to get now because the seller has shipped the speaker now, finally. I thought I wasn't going to get it, but it changed. It's pretty nice. It's just a typical backhand. It's the same thing as the Bogan RE84. Any backhand will work. I only paid $19 for this though, so it's a steal. This big box here is my wires, so I can put together my ceiling speakers and stuff. Any wire will work though, but it's best to use class 2 wiring and copper wiring, but copper clad will be okay as long as it's not exposing the elements. That's like the biggest factor why it oxidizes. It's not as horrible as you think. It's fine for the price. For budget systems, it is. That's a lot of wiring. That's good. I need that so badly. It's worth the price. If you had the extra money, then go with copper though. But this will work. I already unboxed this in the outlets speaker. I got a 4J speaker. It is bigger than I thought it would be. Very nice. I really wanted this. It looks like it came in good condition. There's nothing rattling inside. It's just a wire moving around in there. That's it. It's a nice big back box. I like it. This was a steal. Like, these are very nice. I think this is vandal resistant. Or vandal proof. Now, save the best for the last. Got a box speaker. It is very heavy and bigger than I thought it would be. Not keeping that styrofoam. Here, let's see. Here's the box speaker. I'm probably not gonna get inside this. I'm just probably gonna like electrical tape most of this wire and like wrap a zip tie around this. I don't want to break it. So yeah, that's what I got. It definitely came in good condition. I'm sure it will work. Very nice. Thank you for watching.